What if I told you that the most dramatic transformation in the history of everything happened in less time than it takes to blink? Welcome to the most explosive second in the history of everything. We're going to break down what happened in the very first tick of the cosmic clock after the Big Bang, and trust me, this 1 second contains more action than the entire history of our planet. Let's count it down. At time zero, the universe begins from an infinitely dense, infinitely hot singularity. This isn't empty space waiting for stuff to appear. It's the emergence of space and time themselves. The first fraction of a second is called the Planck epoch, lasting from 0 to 10 to the power of -43 seconds. To put that in perspective, that's a decimal point followed by 42 zeros and then a 1. In this unimaginably brief moment, all 4 fundamental forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces, were unified into one superforce. The temperature was about 10 to the 32 degrees Celsius, so hot that our current understanding of physics breaks down. This is where quantum gravity would have reigned supreme, but we're still working to understand this mysterious beginning. Then we enter the grand unification epoch from 10 to the -43 to 10 to the -36 seconds. Gravity separates from the other 3 forces, becoming its own distinct force. The universe is still incredibly dense and hot, but we're starting to see the building blocks of physics as we know it emerge. Now comes one of the most dramatic moments in cosmic history, the inflationary epoch from 10 to the -36 to 10 to the -32 seconds. In this tiny slice of time, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light, doubling in size roughly every 10 to the -37 seconds. It grew from smaller than a proton to about the size of a grapefruit in this brief period. This rapid expansion solved several cosmic mysteries and set the stage for everything to come. Next up is the electroweak epoch from 10 to the -32 to 10 to the -12 seconds. The strong nuclear force separates from the electroweak force, leaving us with 3 distinct forces: gravity, the strong nuclear force, and the electroweak force. The temperature drops to about 10 to the 15 degrees, and the first elementary particles start to appear. We're now at the quark epoch from 10 to the -12 to 10 to the -6 seconds. Quarks, electrons, and other fundamental particles emerge from the hot, dense soup of energy. But here's the crazy part: matter and antimatter are being created in equal amounts, constantly colliding and annihilating each other back into pure energy. For every billion matter-antimatter pairs, one matter particle survives, and that tiny imbalance is why we have a universe filled with matter today. Finally, we reach the hadron epoch from 10 to the -6 seconds to 1 second. As the universe continues to cool, quarks combine to form protons and neutrons. The temperature drops to about 10 trillion degrees, cool enough for quarks to bond together through the strong nuclear force. By the time we hit that full 1 second mark, the basic building blocks of atoms are in place. The universe has expanded to about a light year across and contains all the protons and neutrons that will eventually form every star, planet, and galaxy we see today. Think about that. In just 1 second, our universe went from a mathematical point to a sprawling cosmic nursery containing everything needed to create the entire visible universe. The density dropped dramatically, temperatures cooled by billions of degrees, and the fundamental forces established the rules that would govern everything from atoms to galaxies. This first second set the cosmic stage for everything that followed: the formation of light elements, the cosmic dark ages, the first stars, galaxies, and eventually you and me watching this video. Every atom in your body can trace its history back to events that unfolded in that incredible first second after the Big Bang. Which moment in the universe's first second fascinates you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and follow for more mind-blowing cosmic journeys.